Time to roll. Looking good. All right, time to wake you up. Goddamn dry rot.
All right, let's see what we've got here.
Yak.
Mac. Still running.
All right, time to check the hose bed. Wow, look at all these nests. And this mess. All right, let's see what's inside. Got it. God, that's bad. It's sludged. God damn, this one is filthy. The measurements are off. Adjust the front fender marks.
Found it. It's right here.
Needs reinforcing. I'll get more tape.
Hold that steady. Got it. Perfect. We'll patch that up. Good. God, this thing is heavier than it looks. Whoa, look at that. All right, these last two. Got the ladder down? Perfect, we're almost there.
God, this thing is barely holding together. Watch out for these splinters.
All right, easy now. Just a little further. Looks good. Yeah, that's it. All right, finally got that loose. Yeah, that looks much better now. Good work. Almost got it. There. Heavy thing. Come on, you old bastard. Finally. God. Feels good. Nice and smooth now. Looks like we got it all covered. We got it all covered. Yeah. A fresh start.
All right, here goes nothing. Got it. It's off.
Almost there. Crack. Crack. Got it.
Tightening this one to 50 foot-pounds. Got it. Moving on to the next. Sequence confirmed.
All right, that's finally installed correctly. Perfectly fresh and organized.
All right, that one's in. Let's get the other one here. Okay. Perfect, she's home. Time to test this one. Engine's down. All right, slowly. Down just a little. That's it, hold right there. Almost there, just a few more adjustments. Finally. That's a truck again.
Perfect fit. The Mac script is exactly where it belongs. Time to roll. Looking good. All right, let's see if this works. Nice, perfectly silent. She runs like a dream, ready for the road.